Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing these AFCI, GFCI breakers in this breaker box that feeds my fire panels. As you can see, there's really just one breaker and then our GFCI on this breaker, but we're now going to be installing AFCI, GFCI breakers because those are now required by code. So we got to get these changed. There's power to the panel, so I'm going to be doing this live. But as you see, I got a whole batch of them. Show you all these names. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm even gonna do with these. I got them for free. They're all like piled up. I think there's like 60 something in here, but got quite a few. But I'm only gonna be really using like 3. But some of these might be for other future products or something. But I'm definitely not gonna be able to use all these. So yeah, maybe I'll do a giveaway with one. So maybe. But yeah, these are really nice. They're all like only a couple years old. They just pulled them out of a house and they all work. So yeah, but let's get some work now. Man, tripod setup's looking thick. We had to put fire extinguisher in there so we can hold up the tripod. Mint. Alright, they're all done. Pretty simple. One breaker that I put in was like acting weird, so I just swapped it with a 15. But yeah, it's just small. Okay, trips. Alright, good. And GFCI. Good. Alright, everything's working, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We just installed these new things, looking pretty good. So, yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, see y'all next time.